Carnival in honor of Waffles listing on BingX. Hey there, my name is Ryan, and I'm here to tell you about the most epic carnival in the history of crypto. Get ready to party hard, my dudes, because the Waffles token is hitting the BingX exchange and we're gonna celebrate in style. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ryan, what the heck is Waffles and why should I care? Well, let me tell you. This token is the real deal. It's a decentralized cryptocurrency that's backed by a secret recipe for the most delicious waffles you've ever tasted. Seriously, these things are like little fluffy clouds of heaven, and the team behind Waffles is committed to making them available to crypto enthusiasts all over the world. But the real reason we're all here is for the carnival, baby. BingX is throwing a massive celebration to mark the listing of Waffles, and they've got a prize pool of 750 waffles tokens up for grabs. That's right, folks, minus 750 waffles. And all you gotta do to get in on the action is trade a minimum of 100 USD on the waffles spot market during the event period, which runs from July 12th to July 19th. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ryan, how do I even get my hands on some BingX and Waffles? Well, my friend, let me break it down for you. First, you'll need to head over to the BingX website and create an account. And when you do, make sure to use the referral code 911. That's right, 911. This will ensure that you're getting the best possible deal when you start trading. Once you've got your account set up, it's time to get down to business. The event rules are simple. Just trade a minimum of 100 USD on the waffles spot market during the event period, and you'll be eligible to share in that sweet 750 waffles prize pool. But remember, there's a cap of 6,000 waffles per participant, so make sure you're bringing your A game. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ryan, what if I'm not the trading type? What if I just want to sit back and enjoy the carnival? Well, my friend, you're in luck. Because in addition to the trading event, BingX is also hosting a whole host of other activities to keep the party going. Think live music, carnival games, and of course, all the waffles you can eat. So, what are you waiting for, my dudes? It's time to get your groove on and join the Waffles Carnival. Just make sure to head over to the BingX website, create an account using the referral code 911, and start trading. And don't forget to stick around until the end of the video because I've got some super secret info that you're not gonna want to miss.